Good afternoon, welcome to Exit Through the Gift Shop. Today we're at the HELLS Gate Airtram near Boston Bar, British Columbia. HELLS Gate Airtram is the steepest non-supported tram in North America with an average incline of about 51 degrees. The tram takes visitors across the Fraser River at a rate of 15 feet per second on a cable that's approximately 1.5 inches thick. The upper and lower terminal buildings are both anchored by blocks that sink 20 feet deep into the bedrock. At the area known as HELLS Gate, the rock walls running alongside the Fraser River narrow to only a width of 110 feet, creating the most turbulent section of water anywhere along the Fraser River. It's estimated that the amount of water flowing through HELLS Gate is more than twice the water that flows through Niagara Falls. The name HELLS Gate is derived from the journal of explorer Simon Fraser, who in 1808 described this narrow passage as a place where no human should venture, for surely these are the gates of hell. For centuries, this narrow passage was a popular fishing ground for First Nations communities, and European settlers also began to congregate there in the summer months to fish. Eventually, this area also began to be used by gold miners wishing to access the upper area of the Fraser River. Eventually, in the 1970s, this site became a tourist attraction where the Airtram was constructed, taking visitors to the lower platform and allowing them to access the suspension bridge, an observation deck, restaurants, gift shops, and other attractions. In the early 1900s, railway construction near HELLS Gate triggered a landslide and blocked a significant portion of the river in this area. The landslide blocked the path of Pacific salmon who needed to swim upstream to spawn. Despite the clearing of debris, biologists feared that there would be significant impacts to the Pacific salmon stocks. Across the Fraser River, you can see the fishways that were created to give salmon an easier alternative than the turbulent waters of the main HELLS Gate. These were created to help encourage and restore the migration of salmon along the Fraser. This statue, known as Simon's Wall, was created to recognize Simon Fraser's journey through the Fraser Canyon. It shows how the expedition of Simon Fraser would have traversed the walls of the Fraser Canyon using First Nation rope bridges. Grounds at HELLS Gate are also said to be very haunted. Visitors are known to experience mysterious voices, see shadows lurking about, objects mysteriously falling off shelves, and shapes appearing in photographs. That's it for today. Thanks for touring the HELLS Gate Airtram with us. Take care, stay safe. It's time to exit through the gift shop.